Hello everyone. In the last lesson, we learned the 4 uses of could. Today, we're going to learn them again, but this time through one simple story. Listen carefully and try to notice every time you hear the word could. Let's begin. Ollie was a shy college student. When he was younger, he couldn't speak English at all. His classmates could speak English better than him, but Ollie never gave up. One day, his English teacher said, "Next week, everyone will give a short speech in English." Ollie became nervous. He went to his teacher and asked, "Could you help me, please?" The teacher smiled. "Of course. I'd be happy to help." The next day, Ollie asked, "Could I practice in the classroom after school?" The teacher replied, "Yes, you can." Every afternoon, Ollie practiced speaking. Sometimes he made mistakes. Sometimes he forgot his words. His friend Ahmed said, "You could practice in front of a mirror. It will help you become more confident." Ollie liked the idea. Every evening, he stood in front of a mirror and spoke in English. Slowly, he became more confident. Finally, the day of the speech arrived. Ollie walked onto the stage. He smiled and spoke clearly. After the speech, everyone clapped. His teacher said, "When you were younger, you couldn't speak English. Now you can speak confidently. I'm proud of you." Ollie smiled because he knew one thing. Every great speaker was once a beginner. Now you've seen how native speakers use could in real conversations. Read this story again and try to use these 4 sentences in your own English. If you enjoyed this lesson, like this video, subscribe to English with Stories, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Happy learning!